Beautiful smile is the prettiest thing what you can wear. Hi, this is Dr. Vora from Dr. Vora's Dental Care, your smile specialist. So now let us see what are instructions you need to follow during the whole Invisalign treatment. One of the most important instruction is to wear the aligners, because remember, this is a removable appliance, so it will work only if you are wearing it. And I have not seen any kid or adult not wearing it, because it's very comfortable, it is invisible, it's very gentle to your teeth. So still at least 21 to 22 hours you need to wear during the whole day. Only remove while having food and brushing. You can use your aligner when you have something to drink, like a water or a water-based liquid, juices, cold drink. But anything milk-based, like a milkshake, tea, coffee, better to remove it, otherwise it becomes sticky and you don't like wearing it often then. You cannot eat anything with the aligners. Always remember to remove your aligners when you eat. I'll be giving you 4-5 sets of aligners, which you have to change it every 7 days, 10 days, 14 days, depending upon each patient has specific days how they are supposed to change those aligners. Now whenever you are supposed to change the aligners, say you are on number 3 aligner and then you have to go to number 4. So always change the aligners at bedtime. So just before you are about to sleep, just brush the aligner, brush your teeth, dry the previous aligner. After drying it, keep it in the same number pouch. Why it is important to preserve the previous aligner which you have already wear, I will be telling you later. But it is important to preserve all the previous aligners. And then take out the new aligner from the pouch, wear it, use the chewy how I have told you to use it for 30-40 seconds all around your teeth just before you sleep. And next day morning you again remove it, brush your teeth, have your breakfast and immediately you wear it again. So like that 21 to 22 hours you need to wear. Nowadays you get a beautiful apps which will remind you when to change your aligners, and also it will keep a track of how long you are supposed to wear it and how long you are actually wearing it. So there are some apps like a Trayminder or My Invisalign app. Just download those apps, scan your patient ID which is written on the Invisalign pack, so that will capture all your details. Enter the number of aligner which you are starting to wear. Say if you are number 1, you write down, enter the today's date and number 1 aligner. And also how I have instructed you to change aligners, 7 days, 10 days, 14 days. Just enter those days. So then if you are supposed to change every 10 days, it will remind you every 10 days, now you are supposed to change it today. So change at the bedtime. Also whenever you are removing the aligners to eat anything, just there is a timer in those apps, just switch on the timer, have your food, stop the timer. Again next when you are eating, switch on the timer, as soon as you again wearing it back, switch off the timer. So like that you can calculate out of 24 hours how many hours you wore the aligner today, 20 hours, 21 hours, 22 hours. Remember the golden rule is to wear it for 21 to 22 hours. Now why to preserve all the previous aligners which you have already worn? I'll tell you the reason why. Suppose I have given you say number 4 to number 9 aligners and you are on presently number 8 aligner. You go out somewhere, by a chance instead of taking all the care you lose that aligner or that present aligner breaks. So what happens is, if you stop wearing it, the teeth tries to go back to the old position. So as soon as you feel you have lost the aligner, you are not finding it, immediately go to the next one. So you are on number 8, you have the number 9 with you, immediately wear that, so that your tooth movement continues, doesn't stop there. Now suppose if you are on number 9 and you don't have the number 10 with you and you lose number 9, so you have to immediately go back to number 8 which you already kept it, preserved it. Teeth cannot be without aligners for more than 4 to 5 hours. Suppose if you are going to some function or event and you feel it will be a little awkward to remove those aligners there in those functions. So once in a while, say once in a month or 2 months, it is okay to be not wearing it for a few hours, like 3-4 hours, but not more than that. Remember, continuity of wearing the aligners is the key for the very successful and proper treatment. Whenever you feel your teeth are not tracking, what I mean by not tracking is when you wear the aligners, if you see a gap like this, a little gap between the aligner and the tooth. So for the first 1 or 2 days it is okay and you use this chewy to bite on it. So in 2-3 days you will notice that gap goes off and the aligner is sitting very well. But suppose even after 3-4 days if you feel that gap is still there and it is not completely sitting, don't go to the next aligner. You have to ring at the office and just see me once, so we will check what to do next. Because unless the teeth are tracking well, wearing of next set is of no use.
Invisalign is comfort and confidence, so you can have the smile you want the way you want it. Invisalign, transforming smiles, changing lives.